Hi, I'm Roland from Impress IT Solutions. If you run a manufacturing business in Houston, you already know downtime isn't just inconvenient, it's expensive. That's why more plant managers are turning to us for smarter, faster IT support that's actually built for the floor, not just the front office. At Impress IT, we've spent the last 23 years helping manufacturers reduce downtime, eliminate bottlenecks, and get real-time visibility across their operations. Unlike traditional IT providers, we understand the urgency when your ERP system goes down or your network can't handle the load. We don't send tickets, we send help, fast, and we guarantee a 10-minute response time. Here's how we do it. We start with a free 15-minute discovery call. Then we run a full cybersecurity and infrastructure audit. And finally, we implement a support plan that actually keeps you running. If you're ready for IT that understands the urgency of the production floor, let's talk. Click below to book your discovery call or download our free IT checklist built just for manufacturers. We're Impress IT Solutions, local, responsive, field tested.